Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is February mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages and what's going on. Cancer, water sign. What are the messages for you? Cancer. Five of Swords, Four of Swords and Eight of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, High Priestess and Three of Swords. What's going on? Cancer. Under the deck, the Magician. You will be in this energy after this lot of drama, whatever you are going through. You are going to manifest. Your wishes are going to be granted in near future. But there will be some transformation to come in this energy. But you will be in this energy near future. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Five of Swords, Four of Swords and Eight of Cups. Your person hurt you in past. There is a lot of things going between you and your person, and there is backstabbing, lying to you, cheated on you. There is something, maybe for some there are disturbances between both of you, misunderstandings. Yeah, you decided to walk away from your person because Eight of Cups is here. You take this decision for yourself, for your respect also for some, and you want to heal from this Four of Swords energy. There is no contact situation between you and your person, Cancer. You are undergoing some healing and meditation process. It was past, then present, Wheel of Fortune, High Priestess and Three of Swords. Yeah, still you have so much, you're still somewhere you have pain regarding your relationship, regarding your person, because Three of Swords, you are heartbroken. And maybe it could be your person also feeling heartbroken without you, but things are turning out in your favor. Wheel of Fortune with High Priestess, yes, you are going to manifest everything in your life, but it will take some time. Some healing process is required. Wheel of Fortune with High Priestess, you are listening to higher self, you are trusting your intuition. Go that way. Yeah, things are turning out in your favor. I think everything in divine timing. I think timing plays key role. Then future, Queen of Swords, Two of Swords and Three of Pentacles. Someone is returning to Three of Pentacles for reconciliation or to work on this relationship. But I think for some you decided to cut off your person from your life because there is no commitment. There is no reason to continue. And Two of Swords, you are at some crossroads still. You are not able to make any decision because you are blindfolded and you are not understanding which decision you have to make. You are in so much confusion. There is a lot of confusion right now you are going through regarding this Three of Pentacles. So let's see, it is your person or your new person. But it could be you heartbroken. Maybe your person also feeling like this. That's why someone is returning. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future action. Then we will get more clarity what's going. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings first. Yeah, the Fool. They want brand new beginnings with you and they want to take leap of faith. Yeah, they are coming back to work on this relationship. Cancer, your person current feelings. See, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, your person also, I think you both are at some crossroads and Ten of Wands under the deck. Maybe it is like hard work for your person. Maybe they are player type energy. They love you, but there is no commitment. What I'm getting here. They're feeling overburdened. For some, your person have so many responsibilities like pressure, work pressure or family responsibilities. But still your person may be at some crossroads due to this energy. I think there is one type of ending between both of you, Scorpio, because you walked away. Death card is here, but they're thinking about to come back and to offer commitment, and they to come back again to work on this relationship. They're thinking about Three of Pentacles energy, and there is no collaboration and partnership between both of you in past. So let's see the near future actions towards you. You both are on the same page. You both are at some crossroads. Confusion. Yeah, 8 of Cups. 2 times 8 of Cups. And 10 of Cups. They want this happiness with you. And King of Wands, your person is very powerful and stand by their power. And Knight of Swords, communication. They're willing to communicate with you. They want to express their true feelings to you. Knight of Swords. Yeah, they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. Definitely there is some communication you will get from your person, and maybe they have regret now to walk away from you because 8 of Cups. Maybe they're feeling regret for what they did to you because they hurt you in past. 5 of Swords energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, Princess of Swords, 10 of Swords. Yeah, they are in, again, 10 of Wands. Something is not correct in your person's life. Definitely they are going through so much burden, maybe mental pressure also. This is not about physical, it could be about mental pressure, a lot of disturbance. So yeah, they're spying on you, they're stalking on you. Definitely they're waiting to communicate with you. They're waiting for the right time to communicate. They still want rebirth, they still want to be with you, but don't know how to approach. Cancer. Yeah, 5 of Cups, you are also feeling sad for the separation, and yeah, they are coming back. There is a lot of passion. Knight of Wands. So that's why there is no commitment. That's why you are not willing to make any decision, because Knights always came and go. There is no commitment. Come and go. Player type energy. They want when they will come when they want, and they go when they want. That type of energy. There is, yeah, under the deck again, Fool, new beginnings. Definitely they're coming back for new beginnings. They want to be with you again, but it's up to you. You are the decision maker here. Yeah, Knight of Cups, they're coming back. And this time maybe your person is changing for you. Knight of Cups energy, Knight of Wands too. They have strong emotions for you, but they are taking it very slow. They're coming back very slowly. And Knight of Wands, maybe you are guarded up right now. You are not making any move, Cancer. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy and water energy is here. So let's see your overall energy, Cancer. Seven of Cups, you are in some confusion state. I already told you. 6 of Swords, communication to fix the things. And yeah, they're stalking on you. They're watching you definitely to approach you. But you are guarded up. Yeah, you have emotions but you are not showing any emotions right now to your person. So let's see your person overall energy. Lot of confusion. You both are at some crossroads. You both want the same thing but don't know how to make a move, because you both have regrets. Maybe especially your person have regrets, Cancer. Yeah, 8 of Wands, communication. Lots of communication is coming in your way. There is some movement is coming in this relationship. Yeah, they did hurt you. Maybe they did something wrong to you. 7 of Swords. That way maybe your person scared to come towards you. Sneaky. And Queen of Wands and Hermit. Right now they are isolated from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening, seeing things in detail. And Queen of Wands, they see you as a very powerful and very grounded person. You stand by your power, Cancer. And they want to communicate and they want to open up to you and they want to express their feelings. I think they are rushing towards you to communicate with you. And yeah, after some time their confusion will be gone. But right now maybe they are at some confusion state. Still they want to be with you. This is clear. But it is Knight of Cups energy, slow moving. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Cancer. meditate and contemplate. So if you have any problem, especially when new moon in Pisces, if you are having any problem, or if you are undergoing some like trauma, or thinking about something again and again, maybe separation or whatever, meditate and contemplate. Do meditation and heal yourself first. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.